Well, we got a box today in the mail. We picked it up from Lazy Days because they're right down the road from us. When we bought our new to us 2019 Grand Design Solitude fifth wheel, as you can see, the fireplace would not shut off. It's off now because we turned the breaker off. It's the only way we could shut it off. So you couldn't turn it off by the button on there, and you couldn't turn it off by the remote control. So they had to order us a new fireplace. So here it is. So what I'm going to show you is we're going to walk this together because I've never seen a video on anybody installing one of these. So you can walk with me as we figure it out together. Okay, so stay tuned and we'll be right back. So we got it out of the box. Got the new fireplace out of the box. It was a chore, so I didn't make you guys watch that. Well, there you go. That's what it looks like when it's out of the box. Look, looks just like the other one. Now it should be 4 screws, 2 on each side. I'm assuming I just reused the screws that came with the other one because this one didn't look like it came with any. But we did get a new instructions and a new remote control, so that's cool. Stay tuned and we'll start taking the old one out. I'll show you how to do it. Okay? So what you need to do is this trim piece right here goes around like that. You see that? It goes right around. That needs to come up. It slides up and off. So I'll show you that. This, just take it and it slides right up and off. See? There's little clips in there to hold it. And if you look on the back here, see, there's little brackets it slides into. We got a new one too, so we don't need this one for now. So we will put it to the side. Like I said, you got 4 screws, 2 on this side and 2 on that side. So let's take them off. Now I'm going to use a screw gun to dig them off, but when I put them on I'll use a screw gun, but I won't tighten them all the way down. You hear it fall? That means that last screw came out. Wow, that's easy. Easy peasy, guys. By the way, guys, I'll take a little break here. I called up a couple dealerships in our area. Not where I bought this one though, not Lazy Days. But I called some other ones up. And they wanted $300 to install this, and they would have my fifth wheel for at least a week. And look how quick this is. And it just plugs in. And we're here. Yep, see, it just plugs right in. And we need to make something where we can get access back here. Look at all that room back here. That's what it looks like when it's all out. See? Now, was that worth $300? No. And then we got the new one that goes in. Oh, we'll put that in now. We'll take the new one. Undo the cord here. Da, 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 da. It's always good if you can do it yourself. I'm not a very handy person. That's what they make YouTube for. So hopefully this will help a lot of other people. Okay, so I got it in there, got it all screwed down. Basically the reverse of what you did. Unplug, plug it in. Don't forget to plug it in. Now this one, I found out was a little different than this one, that the screw holes were in a different spot. Also make sure you get this as even as possible on each side. So now, I have, believe it or not, I have not tried to put this on yet. Why is this sound funny? So, you're going to see it. There we go, baby. Now, let's see if it works. After all that work. Oh. Alright. Check it out. Ooh, fancy. See, before though, that wouldn't work. It would stay on the other one. So this one goes on, goes on, goes off, goes on. Okay, I think I'll screw around with that. I end up messing it up. Greystone. And it does have heat. I don't know what that is. So, there's your ambiance. So, saved $300 guys and didn't have to get rid of my camper. So, whew, hot in here. I turned the AC off. So you wouldn't affect the video, the sound. So, fixed it myself. I'm very proud of myself. If I could reach and pat myself on the back, I would. Like I said, saved $300 and didn't have to send my camper anywhere for a week or 2 weeks or 3 weeks. You know how they are. So, it's really easy fix. So if you have this problem in your camper, there's a video now out there on YouTube that tells you how to fix it, to replace it. And it was no charge to us because we bought the camper and it didn't work when we bought it, so it didn't cost us anything. So thank you for coming along. I appreciate it. Give me a thumbs up if you would. It really helps our channel. And if you would push that subscribe button if you haven't already. And definitely ring that bell. We got some more good stuff coming up like this that you can learn from. So we got a lot of stuff coming up, guys. So make sure you subscribe, share, thumbs up, and ring that bell. It really does help us. And definitely leave a comment. We do read all of our comments. We really appreciate all you guys. We love and the support you guys give us is awesome. So thank you, thank you, thank you to all of our Bearfoot buddies. If you're new here, consider subscribing. If you're not new here, thank you so much. We really do appreciate it. We do these videos for you guys. We do a lot for ourselves, but this is something that I did for you guys. So you guys, you know, because like I said, I couldn't find anything on this. So I didn't know any. I wouldn't even know to slide that thing up and off. That simple, you know. I'd have to sit there for hours trying to figure this out. Now there's a video. So thank you, and we will see you next time, and definitely we will see you around the campfire. Bye guys. Thank you.